Hello guys, welcome to my another video. Today will be about changing the air filters from the stock ones to K&N filters. So I hope it will be fun for you and let's go for it.
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Take us so long. Hey, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now my prayers been answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you. Waiting on the day you would come back to me, hoping that I didn't burn a bridge I couldn't see. And now that you're by my side again, I'll never leave you behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget.
So I will be changing my pretty new ones. So I did only 4,000 kilometers on these. It's Febby inside. And how to change the air filter, it's sorry, I forget to mention, it's BMW 4.8 liter V8. And so once you unclip these 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, yes, 10 clips, then you can open the cover for the air filters. Yeah, and we'll be changing these for the new oil filters, K&N. As you can see, these are pretty nice and clean. They're only 4 months old, so yeah, I will keep these as the original part for next time. Okay, I need my second hand, so be right back. Okay, so second filter is also out. You see it's pretty clean, it's not that bad. Also inside, so these are the paper filters, Febby, and I will be swapping these for K&N. I'm not expecting like super horsepower increase, but yeah, so these should have better airflow. So we will see. And we are done. Okay, so job is done and let's start it up. remote start. So then let's go for a short test drive.
Turn the crib into a club like Hennessy and Buddha screaming thug life. Get it, baby, you know I'm the plug, right? Fucking got a feeling that it's gonna be a long night. Whoa, everything I touch turn cold. Need no introduction cause they know Brit and Mo. I hit the lotto, my motto, roll up gelato and throttle.